Whoa! Right? Ryan, you gotta put it up there.
Come over down here now. You ready? Ready with the camera?
Yeah.
Push.
Push. Woo. That was a good one, Ryan.
Alright. Oh. I don't think you were doing that though.
What's she doing? Okay.
Come get your ball.
Get your ball, Ryan. No. Mariah. No, your ball is right here.
Here.
It's not your turn. Hold on.
No.
She likes the yellow ball or orange ball, I guess it is.
No.
Put it up here.
No.
Up. Oh. Alright, you ready?
Push hard.
Push hard. Yeah.
Woo! That was a good one, Ryan. Oh, no. Don't do that, Ryan. Woo!
Alright,
No.
brother's turn. Brother's turn.
Don't hang
Let's
from
put
it.
back here out
Come on. Let's watch Barbara. Uh-oh, Malik. All right. See, you got all them stuff won. Get off of that, Mariah. No. 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 Here. Let him get the orange one. Come on. There you go. Uh-oh. Are you going to get it? Look like you might get it. Look, up. Oh. Missed it. Okay. Come on, Mariah. Come on, Mariah. Here. Roll it. You want to roll it on the ground? Come on. No, come on. Roll it. Push. Push. No.
No.
Uh-oh. Stand back.
She's not going to be able to.